Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. And on last day we have learned some topics in numbers up to 999, and a topic we have learned that is forming numbers up to 999, and after that we have learned place value, and after that we have learned expanded form of numbers and comparing numbers. But today we will revise one time comparing numbers, and after that we have to come on exercise 5.3, that is given on page number 86. So firstly we have to come on comparing number. That's our topic is comparing number. What is comparing number? When the number is different, Jumbo has 470 bananas. When the number of digits, that means number of digits, if they in one number there are 2 digits and in another number there are 3 digits, that's called when the number of digits is different. As like Jumbo has 47 banana. Or example is given that Jumbo has 470 bananas. Jumbo is an elephant and Jumbo has 470 bananas. Mumbo has 59 bananas and Mumbo is a monkey and Mumbo has 59 bananas. Jumbo has 470 bananas and Mumbo has 59 bananas. Who has more banana? And you have to find who has more banana. You know that Jumbo has 470, that is 3-digit number, and Mumbo has 59 bananas, that is 2-digit number. So when we compare it 59 and 470, we can see here that in 59 there are 2 digits. On ones place is 9 and on tens place is 5, that is 59. And in 470 there are 3 digits. On ones place there is 0, on tens place there is 7, and on hundred place there is 4. So a 3-digit number is greater than a 2-digit number. If there is, we have to compare two numbers, then a 3-digit number is greater than a 2-digit number. When two numbers are given, one is 2-digit number and another is 3-digit number, then 3-digit number is greater than a 2-digit number. Okay, so 470 is greater than 59. We have learned that if there are two numbers, in one there are 2 digits and in another there are 3 digits, so 3-digit number is greater than a 2-digit number. Okay, so 470 is greater than 59, and now Jumbo has more bananas than Mumbo. So we can say that Jumbo has, and that means elephant has more banana than Mumbo, that is monkey. So elephant has more bananas than monkey. Okay. Our second topic is when the numbers of digits is the same. When the numbers of digits in the same. For this first condition, when the number of digits is the same, that means if there are 3 digits in first number and also 3 digits in second number, then we have to, how we can compare this? We have to learn firstly different digit in the hundred place. That means there are different places in 100 place. On 100 places there are different digits. That means Sajid means 452 shoes. Sajid or meant shoes. That means Sajid is a Sajid meant 452 shoes, and Ramdas meant 701 shoes in a month. Sajid month, that means Sajid is the cobbler. Sajid and Ramdas are cobbler, and Sajid means 452 shoes in 1 month, and Ramdas means 701 shoes in a month. Who means more shoes? You don't know that Sajid means 452 shoes and Ramdas means 701 shoes in a month. Who means more shoes? You can see here when we compare these two numbers, We can see here that in 452, 2 is on ones place, 5 is on tens place, and 4 is on hundred place. And in 701, 1 is on ones place, 0 is on tens place, and 7 is on hundred place. So when we compare hundred place, that is 4 and 7. In 452 on 100 place there is 4, and in 701 on 100 place there is 7. So we have to compare 4 and 7, and we can see that 4 is smaller than 7. So 452 is smaller than 701. Okay. So which number have hundreds more, then that number should be greater. That means in 452 and 701, in 452 100 place is 4, and in 701 100 place is 7. So 4 is smaller than 7. So 452 is smaller than 701. So Ramdas means more shoes than Sajid. That means you can say that hence Ramdas means more shoes than Sajid. Okay. Now the second condition is the same digit in the 100 place. That means if there are same digit in the 100 place. Okay. You can see here that given an example. Shohan writes 642 words. Shohan writes 642 words, and Mohan writes 617 words on a page. Shohan writes 642 words, and Mohan writes 617 words on a page. Who writes more word on a page? You can see here that Shohan writes 642 words, and Mohan writes 617 words. You can see here that 100 places are same. That means in 642 on 100 place there is 6, and in 617 on 100 place there is 6. So both are same. On 100 place of both value are same, and the digits in the 100 place are same. So we have to compare now tens place, and on tens in 642 on tens place there is 4, and 617 on tens place there is 1. So 4 is greater than 1. So 642 is greater than 617. The digits in the 100 place are the same. Compare the digits in the tens place. When the digits of 100 place same, then you have to compare the digits in the tens place. Okay. So 4 is greater than 1, and when we compare tens places in both number, we have to find 4 is greater than 1. So 642 is greater than 617. So we can say Shohan writes more words than Mohan. Shohan writes more words than Mohan. Okay. There is third condition. Third condition is the same digits in the hundreds and tens place. The same digit in the 100 and tens place. The condition is the same digit in the 100 and tens place. That means 100 place and tens place both are same. John sells 193 flowers, and Mukesh sells 196 flowers. Who sells more flower? John sells 193 flowers, and Mukesh sells 196 flowers. Who sells more flower? We know that John sells 193 flower, and Mukesh sells 196 flower. When we compare, we can see here that 100 places are same in both, and the tens places are same in the both. And in John sells 193 flower. On ones place there is 3, on tens place there is 9, and on 100 place there is 1. And Mukesh sells 196 flower, that is on ones place there is 6, and on tens place there is 9, and on 100 place there is 1. So in 193 and 196, the hundreds and tens places are same, and when the digits in the 100 and 10 places are the same, then we have to compare the digits in the ones place. If the 100 and tens places are the same in both number, then we have to compare the digits in the ones place. And when we compare ones place in both numbers, in 193 on ones place there is 3, and on 196 on ones place there is 6. When we compare 3 and 6, we find that 3 is smaller than 6. So 193 is smaller than 196. We find that 3 is smaller than 6. So 193 is smaller than 196. So answer, Mukesh sells more flowers than John. So we can say Mukesh sells more flowers than John. Okay. Now we have to come on exercise 5.3 given in your